Hi, I'm Adam Leventhal. I'm the CTO at Delphix. So Delphix revolutionizes the data supply chain. So what's that mean? We take all of this data that's trapped in data silos, in applications, relational databases, flat files, and we virtualize it. We make it possible to stamp out non-production copies for dev, test, QA, UAT, reporting, BI, very quickly and at very low cost.
So I understand that you had a big announcement recently.
Yeah, so we recently announced our new compliance engine. So one of the things that we've seen in the industry is that masking and compliance and migration to the cloud, all of these things are real challenges for major IT organizations. So with the Delphix compliance engine, we can now virtualize data in an existing data center, make sure it's masked not by accident or not just by a runbook, but by policy, and then make sure that all compliance regulations are obeyed as data moves around in the data center, moves to non-production environments, or moves up to the cloud. This is especially important in this era where every week, every 2 weeks, we hear about data breaches, losses of data, and regulatory violations where CEOs quit, CEOs resign, and folks go to jail. And Delphix is a way of removing a lot of the risk of those kinds of awful negative consequences. So Delphix is applicable across a wide number of industries. Where some kinds of products really find niche verticals, we have customers in manufacturing, in high tech, in healthcare, financial services, all over the place. For the compliance engine, the places where regulatory requirements are the most strict are the places where Delphix is most applicable. So, for example, in financial services, there's CCAR, other types of stress testing requirements. Delphix helps execute against those. In healthcare, PII, HIPAA, Delphix with its compliance engine helps mask that data and ensure compliance across all those different types of requirements. We've seen customers roll out Delphix across their private cloud infrastructures, their on-prem legacy infrastructures, and then hybrid clouds as they start to move some of their environments from on-prem and from private clouds into public clouds. So we see it across a variety of different infrastructures. Sure, so if you're interested in finding out more about Delphix, check out www.delphix.com and send email to info@delphix.com.